He's coming out to see his girlfriend. Otto. Otto. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm doing a double unboxing from Bricklink and from the Eastern Temple. So if you're excited to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, let's start with Eastern Temple. So Eric did send me a note that he's not going to send me any more business cards because I already have two of them. But I already have two of them, so that's okay. So I got three weapons. I got one for Ikaika, one for Hanao, and one for Hungareka. So let's get started. First, I got this giant broadsword, which is gorgeous. This is Gerbraz's broadsword that was designed by SCM Decks on Thingiverse. I really like a lot of their designs. There's another one in this video. And this is going to go on Ikaika. Since he's so strong, he needs like a big, strong sword. This is awesome. Looks great. I ordered these unpainted because I will be painting them in the latter part of this video, so stay tuned. The next piece we have is this gorgeous halberd. I'm not exactly sure who designed this one. I will put their tag right here. But this is a gorgeous piece. It is modeled to look like the Chronicler's staff. As you can see, there's a lot of design language there that matches. This just looks amazing. I'm very, very happy with this. This is actually for Hanao. Oh, it fits perfect. Oh! He looks amazing. Check him out. I'm super excited about that. And let's move on to our last one. Our last weapon is... oh, look how gorgeous that is. It is a Mangai Bardiche, also by SCM Decks. This is for Hungareka. This is his Inferno Axe. It is gorgeous. There is... uh-oh. The tip is broken off. That's alright. I can file it to make it into a tip. It'll be fine. Because this tip is really strong. But this looks great. And I'm actually going to show you this one on Hungareka in a minute because I got some more pieces for him in my Bricklink haul. So let's actually move over to the Bricklink haul right now. So I got this haul from 77379 Bricks. I got a ton of these little lightsaber handles, which I need very badly. Thanks, Psalm 127.1. That's nice. I got all these little lightsaber handles because I need them badly, and then this white ball, which I also might need at some point. This is going to help me a lot because, for one thing, Miss Kafu here needs her staff to look correct. And now it does! Perfect. They're a little darker than I expected. They're flat silver instead of pearl light gray. That's alright though. She looks much better now. And then we have Hungareka. I need to build his little handle here. And then we can put his axe on top. And then I have 4 more for whatever else I might need them for. Ooh. Look how cool that looks. It's gonna look 1,000,000% better when it's painted, but that right now looks amazing. Oh, he's so cool. I will have another haul soon because I'm going to have his mask and his little ball joint right here. Just a lot of pieces for him that still need to come in. So, Fruit Punch, if you're watching, video coming soon all about Hungareka. Okay guys, this is my spray paint setup. I'm going to be using the Rust-Oleum Bright Coat Metallic Finish in this color. Oh my god, Otto's girlfriend is here. Hi! She's cute as a pie. Otto, your girlfriend's here. So we're going to get this painted quickly so that she doesn't get any paint on her. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. I've got Siderax Halberd and I've got Simdex Gerbraz Sword. They are nice and clean, and I'm going to hit with a puff. because this metallic spray paint goes very far. So you want to hit a little farther away than normal. So I'm literally just going to do that thin little coat, let it dry for a little bit, and then come back so that way I don't get it gunky and gummy. You can see, first of all, this is almost chrome. It's so pretty. It's so close to being done already because this paint is so good. So if you are a Bionicle painter, this product is amazing. Perfect. That looks so good. Those look so good. Okay, so I only have 2 stands and I have 1 more weapon to do. I have Hungareka's axe. So I'm going to let these dry for a little bit, like a while, and then I'll be back so I can paint his axe. Okay, look at her cute little paw print. Hi. So I'm quickly going to hit this again. That is... It's so close to chrome. It's so gorgeous. Oh, just touched myself. Oops. Doesn't that look great, guys? Hi. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna let the paint dry out here. It's a little gloomy out today. That's all right though. It's gonna dry quickly. This is a really quick drying paint. I just kind of want the fumes to go away, and then I can take them inside so it can fully dry. So I need to let it air out. So I'm gonna let them aerate and dry out for a little bit, and then I will be back to finish the video. Thank you guys so much for watching my Eastern Temple haul. Thank you, Eric, for the great quality products. As always, I love ordering from Eric. He's always very prompt. And some great, authentic Canadian Bionicles. You guys know I love those. Thank you everyone who watched it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, y'all.